Hello everybody, this is Hernandez with Mercedes-Benz of Austin. Today we'll be talking about key battery replacement on our 2019 new Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Unfortunately, if you have a 2021 S-Class, this video won't apply, but we're going to come up with another video at a later date to discuss those key battery replacements. So first thing you want to do, flip the key over and look for that little silver button on the back side. I find it easier to pull the key blade out to do this, so pull that key blade out, set it to the side. You're going to press this same button and push up to release this black back cover. That's the back side of our key. You're gonna look at this key. I like to find the little plus sign. That's gonna be where your drawer is to pull that key battery out. Pull it out like so. There you go, there's your bad battery. Flip that out. Mercedes-Benz recommends to use 2032 Mercedes-Benz batteries. If you're a Mercedes-Benz of Austin customer, you can come by and visit us. We'll replace these key batteries for you complimentary. If we're not local to you or you're looking from afar, watching this video from afar, you can visit any Walgreens, CVS, that type institution to purchase these batteries. But you're just gonna pop that key battery out, pop it back down. You want to make sure the worded side is face down in the drawer, no words facing up. So you wanna pop it back in like so, face down, boom. Put the cover back on, just do the opposite of what we did to take it apart. Key battery in, done. And the last thing you want to do is just press the lock button, make sure you get a red light, make sure that your key batteries is what the actual problem was. If it's still not lighting up, you may want to visit a Mercedes-Benz dealership to have that key addressed. That's it. If you've done that, lights on, congratulations, you replaced your key battery on your 2019 Mercedes-Benz key fob.